We now present our work, ePods, a fast heuristic for data service delivery in vehicular edge computing. Introduction. In the past few years, the automotive industry has focused its research and development on technologies that enable the realization of connected and automated vehicles. This effort has seen lots of innovation in the development of novel networking technologies and applications that enhance driver safety and experience, such as intelligent driving, driver behavior analysis, and predictive maintenance. Many of these applications either receive large amounts of data from cloud or are computation intensive functions. Therefore, storage and computation resources are very critical to the efficient execution of these applications. Motivation. In the context of edge computing based data service delivery to the vehicles, one important question that needs to be answered is how to allocate resources on the edge nodes. The storage, computation, and bandwidth capacities of the edge nodes are constrained in comparison to the resource capabilities on the cloud. Therefore, it is essential to allocate the edge resources such that the maximum number of vehicles are serviced at minimum cost while taking very short time to allocate the resources. Contribution. Firstly, we derive the optimal algorithm of data for a vehicle to a pair of two edges. Then we use this optimal allocation and design a fast and efficient heuristic called ePods for data service delivery to n vehicles over m edges. We demonstrate the effectiveness of the proposed ePods heuristic in comparison to the baseline optimal approach which was proposed previously. Problem statement. We considered that there are n vehicles and m edges in the system. We model our system in terms of vehicle model, edge model, and delay model. A vehicle model is defined by the characteristics and demand request of vehicle like vehicle path, amount of data requested, amount of processing capacity required for service delivery, etc. An edge model is defined by the properties and resources of an edge like the total memory of the edge, total processing capacity of the edge, bandwidth of the edge, etc. A delay model is defined by the timing delays in the network like time taken by a vehicle to travel to an edge and time taken by cloud to send a data chunk to an edge. We need to find the amount of data chunk that needs to be allocated to each edge for all the vehicles such that the total bandwidth cost is minimized and the edge resources are optimally allocated. Solution approach. We present a novel, fast and efficient heuristic for data service delivery called ePods. ePods algorithm is based on obtaining edge pairwise optimal solutions for data service delivery, that is, deriving optimal solutions for each vehicle considering pair of edges at every iteration until all the edges are considered. We use a theorem to derive the heuristic based algorithm. The theorem states that given a vehicle Vi and with data requirement Mi and a pair of edges with A1 and A2 is their total memory used, the minimum total bandwidth cost considering the two edges E1 and E2 is obtained when the first edge is allocated the value M1, where M1 is equal to 1 by K2 minus 1 by K1 plus Mi plus A2 divided by K2 squared minus A1 by K1 square, whole divided by 1 by K1 square plus 1 by K2 squared. If M1 is greater than 0, otherwise M1 is 0. We use the above theorem and allocate the M1 amount of data to the first edge in one iteration of the algorithm. Then in the second iteration, the remaining data Mi minus M1 is allocated between the second edge of the first iteration and a new edge. Similarly, the remaining data after this iteration is recursively allocated between the edges until all edges are considered. Results. Now we compare the results of our proposed ePods based algorithm with the previously proposed optimum algorithm. We observed that maximum number of vehicles serviced is slightly greater for base optimum than ePods by a couple of vehicles. The edge bandwidth cost is slightly more for ePods than the base optimum by less than 1 unit, and the time taken for calculating optimum allocation is lot shorter for ePods than base optimum by almost 700 seconds on average. Thank you.